Are you attempting to savor the last bits of summer? Despite our desire for the summer to last forever, pies and pumpkin spice lattes have already arrived. Even though you could be overly enthusiastic about pumpkin, this season offers a variety of other produce options as well. Eating in accordance with the seasons is a terrific method to meet your body's needs and prevent food boredom. You also get a good variety of meals in your intestines. We introduce the tastiest and healthiest fall fare, along with several ways to savor it, in today's video. Is there a filling method to eat cranberries and apples? How should you eat your green vegetables? We're talking about all of that and more. Let's start with cranberries, which are actual indigenous of North America. Cricket game raspberries. Do you purchase dried and tasty cranberries every time? Then all you're doing is giving your body too much sugar and not enough nutrients. The greatest time to get fresh cranberries is in the fall. Their vivid crimson color and rich, tangy flavor will wow your senses. You can get 2 grams of fiber from half a cup, which helps to control bowel motions. These berries provide a powerful dose of vitamin C that helps maintain healthy skin and bones. Regular contact with tobacco, pollution, and sunshine might compromise your immune system. You can get an abundance of anthocyanins from only a small amount of fruit. The berry's characteristic red color is caused by anthocyanins, which also provide them anti-cancer properties. They can also counteract dangerous free radicals that the body produces as a result of oxidative stress. According to studies, consuming 1 cup of cranberries every day for a period of 12 weeks can balance cholesterol levels and enhance cognition. This fruit can be used for much more than just holiday sauces. When they are uncooked, most people perceive them to be excessively sour. That's why you can reduce their tanginess by heating them with oats, grilling them on the grill with pork, or finely chopping them before adding them to relish. Next, use sweet potatoes to sat your seasonal appetite. Hash sweet potato. If you haven't already, allow me to explain why you ought to become a member of the sweet potato fan club. These potatoes rank among the most nutrient-dense foods. More than 100% of your daily needs for vitamin A are met by one medium-sized sweet potato. In case you are deficient in vitamin A, make sure to consume them. Don't forget to eat the skin. As it contains 4 grams of fiber and 19 milligrams of vitamin C, they can provide a good amount of carbohydrates without being overly caloric. They are simple to mix into soups, curries, and French fries because of their mild sweetness and creamy texture. Women can consider taking a high-quality Naturello multivitamin tablet once a day to increase organic nutrients and protect their health. Men can also choose from a different mix under the same Naturello brand. It's a simple substitute for the healthful elements found in a variety of fruits and vegetables. You only need to click the link in the description box to get your health supplement. Let us now make the most of the autumnal feelings by utilizing pumpkins. The traditional Thanksgiving dinner is the ideal comfort food as the weather cools off. Make every effort to incorporate this squash into your recipe collection. Because pumpkins are a great source of beta-carotene, which is needed to make vitamin A, they can improve your vision. Per cup, you also receive 7 grams of fiber and 11 milligrams of vitamin C. Use the star of the season in soups and pasta dishes in addition to pumpkin pies. The rich, homemade pumpkin custard is a comforting fall dish. Just exercise caution when purchasing store-bought pumpkin treats that advertise health benefits. Perhaps all they're doing is employing the fake flavor. Next, every bite of pomegranates reminds us of fall. This fall, all you need is the brilliant crunch of ruby red pomegranate seeds. Their abundance in minerals and antioxidants aids in lowering blood pressure and promoting muscle recovery after physical activity. Pomegranate juice contains more antioxidants that prevent cancer than red wine and green tea, according to studies. This vibrant fruit's amazing sweet tart flavor makes it a great addition to salads and desserts. They can be used as the crispy garnish for your freshly squeezed pomegranate juice and smoothies. Fall also means a ton of mushroom dishes on restaurant menus. Cricket game cheese. Do you know that there are over 2,000 kinds of edible mushrooms? The most common autumnal mushrooms are portobellos, cremini, oysters, shiitake, and white button mushrooms. Eat some high-fiber mushrooms to help your digestion go more smoothly. These fungi's anti-inflammatories aid in the fight against illnesses linked to the digestive system. It is a low-calorie vegan protein that is excellent for people who are attempting to keep their weight in check. Mushrooms that have been exposed to UV light may also have more vitamin D. They can be the star of a velvety mushroom risotto or a luscious veggie burger. They are especially important because of their high protein content for people who follow a plant-based diet. The earthy flavor and meaty, chewy texture of mushrooms make them a very good meat substitute. Consider purchasing pears at your neighborhood farmer's market as well. Apples. Add some heart-healthy pears to your shopping cart. They help control blood sugar surges, regulate blood pressure, and reduce obesity. A study found that eating 2 pears a day benefited metabolic syndrome and heart health. One medium-sized pear provides 206 milligrams of potassium and 8 milligrams of vitamin C in addition to 6 grams of fiber. Once more, potassium helps to maintain the health of your heart muscles. Try baking and poaching pears for your sweets this season. Prefer something easier? Honey, pears, and Greek yogurt to the rescue. Or mix them with almonds, cinnamon, and oats. These are both very easy breakfast ideas. To create the perfect salad, combine them with juicy meats and spicy greens. Just be willing to try new things. Then, let the abundance of luscious apples fill your kitchen. Cricket game. Apples are capable of anything. Apples are low in calories, high in fiber, vitamins C and K, and healthful in many other ways. Apple skin pectin fiber is very beneficial to your digestive system. Apples have protective polyphenols that shield you from cancer. You reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes and maintain the health of your heart. According to a study, apples can lessen tobacco-related lung damage. Apples also lessen the smell of garlic, according to another study. They go well with both savory and sweet dishes, and they're also a great addition to healthy dishes like apple pie bread, apple sauce, chicken salad with apple cubes, and apple oatmeal muffins. Moving on, warm and comforting winter squash dishes await you. Winter squash harvested in the fall. Winter squash is a fruit that is consumed throughout the winter months. You can adopt a distinctive stance on spaghetti, acorn, and butternut squash soup as well as burrito bowls. A cup contains about 600 micrograms of beta-carotene. The amount of beta-carotene they may contain is indicated by their orange color. They are necessary for developing healthy kidneys, lungs, and immunity. You can cook with squash in a multitude of ways. Savor a range of meals made with squash, such as enchiladas, casseroles, soups, roasted vegetables, main courses without meat, stews, chili, muffins, and desserts. Do you need more fall vegetable inspiration? Pick up some beets. Cricket game beets. This root vegetable is very nutrient-dense and helps to extend life. Beetroots provide your meals a burst of vivid crimson color. Beets encourage the production of nitric oxide in your body and release inorganic nitrates as they break down. For your cardiovascular health to improve, nitric oxide is essential. Your blood arteries dilate and blood flow increases when you take nitric oxide. If you're feeling worn out, pick up a few beets. Their high iron content will help you maintain your energy levels and increase your hemoglobin. Athletes and gym goers can also benefit greatly from beets for their post-workout recovery. Each 100 grams of beets, cooked or raw, contains 1 milligram of iron. Beet greens, on the other hand, contain 3 milligrams of iron. Therefore, be sure to eat those as well. Extra calcium, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C will be yours. If you are concerned about getting beets on your hands or cutting boards, you can purchase pre-cooked, chopped beet cubes that are sodium and preservative-free. Their earthy flavor can provide uniqueness to some meals. Avoid becoming limited to conventional dips and soups. Burgers, sandwiches, coleslaws, smoothies, and desserts can all benefit from their addition. It's time to appreciate artichokes this season. Carrots. Cooking fresh artichokes is often associated with difficulty. Although the exterior may seem harsh, try not to be alarmed by it. Steaming them is the simplest method. After removing the outer leaves, immerse them in hot sauce and eat. You can eat the entire artichoke, including the base, petals, and leaves. However, do not leave the center as it is. To consume the heart, remove the fluff and scoop it out. The purported health benefits of artichoke supplements are driving up their popularity. You can benefit from the goodness all year long in this way. Artichokes have been found in studies to have lipid-lowering and liver-beneficial qualities. Antioxidants, folate, vitamin C, and vitamin K are abundant in them. Magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and an abundance of iron are also provided. Last but not least, broccoli is another cruciferous fall vegetable. About 80 milligrams, or 90% of the recommended daily requirement, of vitamin C can be found in 1 cup of chopped broccoli. Let's use the fall produce to make a broccoli salad. A large handful of cranberries, diced and chopped apples, red onion, pumpkin seed, cheddar cheese, and pecans are all you need. Broccoli that has been blanched can be used raw and left in the dressing for the entire night together with other vegetables. Toss with Greek yogurt or sweet poppy seed dressing, a dash of pumpkin pie spice, honey, and a bit of salt. If you're skeptical of broccoli, this will make you reconsider. Include them in your casseroles and soups. When broccoli is roasted with garlic powder, herbs, and olive oil, it becomes crispy, crunchy, and delicious. It always draws a large audience during parties. It is excellent for your digestive system because of its high fiber content. Broccoli is a cancer-fighting vegetable due to the chemical sulforaphane. Speaking of cancer, it is a fatal illness that claims millions of lives each year. By closely examining the indications and symptoms that your body is exhibiting, you can avoid it. See also 8 common cancer signs that are almost always ignored and early warning signs of colon cancer you should not ignore. Proceed now. Click on one, or better yet, watch both, to find out how to stop this potentially fatal illness in its tracks. Which fall dish is your favorite? Tell us in the comments section below.